How to read Instagram messages without seen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can read Instagram messages of your friends without letting them know that you have seen them. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now what this basically means is that let's say that you receive a message from someone, you want to look at the message but you don't want to let them know that you have seen that particular message. Previously we had this feature within the Instagram default app itself. All you needed to do was simply update it, but now in the recent update Instagram has removed this feature. So in order to get this feature back again, I will simply leave a link down in the description box. You have to go ahead and simply download that app. Once you download that application, I'm going to open that app and you want to make sure to log into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, you can see this is how it is going to look like. At the very bottom right, you will be able to see your profile icon. All you have to do is simply tap on your profile picture in order to go to your profile page, and again on the very top right hand side you will see those three horizontal lines icon. Tap on the three horizontal lines followed by the settings option, which you see at the bottom of the screen. You can see at the very top you have another type of settings. So you have to simply tap on the settings app and you'll be taken to this kind of interface. Here you want to scroll down, and halfway down the bottom you'll be able to see this U icon which says privacy. All you have to do is simply tap on the privacy tab. Over here you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Right at the second you'll see this label which says don't mark messages as read, and what you need to do is simply turn this toggle on next to this text. When you turn this toggle on, it is going to be highlighted in the lightish blue color. If it is turned off, it is basically going to be grayed out. So you want to make sure that this toggle is actually turned on. When this toggle is turned on, whenever you receive a message you could go ahead and read them and no one will get notified, or no one will be able to realize that you have seen their message, because the seen label or the seen watermark is going to be removed from their account. This was the way on how you can read Instagram messages without seen. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.